6 cards, you're going to get 6 envelopes, you're going to get 6 patterned papers. So you're going to get this type of a paper, you're going to get this that is also in a pink sky, and you're going to get some of these. So you're going to get 2 really nice marbled papers, and you have this style, and then there is this design as well, but this is not the size. It's going to be this size. I also have some really cool phases of the moon that I'm including in the kit, so you will get some of these glittery cutouts, and they will show you, I don't know if I have the entire set of gold ones, but you're going to get 5 of these. You'll get a complete circle, and then you will get the moon as it is waning actually into a thinner piece. So you'll get 5 that are the marbled paper, and you're going to get 5 of the phases of the moon that would be in the glittery gold. And right now I'm not seeing all of the glittery gold, but I assure you, you will get those. You will also get a selection of stars in the kit. You will also get sentiments that will all be cut and ready to use. But here's all of the sentiments you will get, and they will all be cut to size and ready to use. You will also be getting the 1.5 by 4 3/4, 6 of these papers like this, and they will be a variety just like the larger pieces are. So you can cut these down, as you need, but the idea is you're going to assemble the card by taking that blank watercolor card, choosing one of the papers, and you're going to take the included glue stick, and you're going to apply glue liberally to the back of the pattern paper, also to the card, okay? Nice and evenly. And then once they have glue on them, you're going to position it and really press it down so it adheres. So once that's glued down, you're going to have a lovely background to create your composition. All right. So this looks very much like sky. I thought it was cool for, kind of a cosmic inspiration. So I could have that as my background. Maybe I add this, and it depends on where I put it. Maybe this kind of looks like a kind of a landscapey look to it. Maybe I want to include some of these pieces, the phases of the moon. So once you get into this, you can see it'd be really fun to just say, okay, I like that. Maybe I want to change it. I don't know. Maybe I start with the sentiment and I work around that. Maybe I choose just to put a star on it here. Maybe I choose to trim this off a little bit more, or perhaps I would like to use this as a background for that. So if I were to do something like that, what I could do is trim this down a little bit carefully. And maybe I want to kind of put it to the side, add my stars and any of the other embellishments that I have. I also include these rhinestones, which can make it a lot of fun as well. So this is something that is going to allow you to play with and to think about the compositions that you create. So I'm just going to see if I can utilize this one. I think this is a great sentiment for a kit like this. And then maybe I'm going to create kind of a border with this piece. So kind of cut that down as well. And then take some of these other elements. And each element would then be glued down by taking the glue stick and applying the glue, and make sure you just adhere it well, all right? And then you have envelopes to send them off to your families and friends. So send me any feedback that you have, and I appreciate you watching.